Laying in bed at night, I keep thinking about how small actions can actually build up into something big. Waking up earlier, drinking water, writing a to-do list, though those things sound simple. But when you put them all together, they can completely change the way your day feels. I used to believe that productivity only mean working on non-stop, but now I see it differently. Productivity also means having balance between work and rest, between focus and fun. And to be honest, not every plan goes smoothly. Sometimes my productive day turns into a Netflix marathon. Sometimes I tell myself I just take a 5 minute break and suddenly it's 2 hours later, but this time I think the care is not too big to hurt on ourselves as long as we try again the next day we're still moving forward. Before before finally closed my eyes, I promised myself to carry at least one small habit from that day into the future. Maybe it's waking up early, maybe it's writing in my journal, or maybe it's just remembering to take breaks. Because at the end of the day, life is not about one big achievement, but about the little things we repeat every day. So if you ever feel unproductive, well, don't worry. Just remember, of even small progress is still progress, and sometimes the best things you can do is simply to get a good night's sleep and start fresh tomorrow. You know, I also want to be honest, not every day looks like the one just described. There are days when everything goes wrong. I oversleep, I skip breakfast, I start at my laptop screen for hours without actually doing anything. Sometimes I even open my code editor, write 2 lines, and then spend the next hours scrolling through social media at the end of those days. I feel guilty and ask myself, what did I even today? But over time, I have realized that those who called unproductive days also teach me some things. They remind me that I am human, not a robot. Everyone needs stress, everyone makes mistakes, and everyone has moments of laziness. The important thing is not to stay stuck there, even if waste